Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix any Instagram bug. To start, open your Google Chrome in your mobile device. Now search here is Instagram down to know about any global issue. Here you can see the service is currently operating as expected at the location we have provided. Then tap on Instagram down, current status and problems, -down detector. Here you can see Instagram outrageous reported in the last 24 hours. Now open your App Store. Wait for it to load. Then search here Instagram. Then update your Instagram application. Now go back to the home page and open Settings. Then scroll down and tap on General. Here, tap on iPhone storage. Wait for it to load. Now scroll down and tap on Instagram. Here, tap on the Offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. Now your problem has been fixed. Thanks! Leave like, subscribe, and share.